What's up, guys? We are back with another update. We're about to take arrival of the new Copart car that we got a couple days ago. We got it from Colorado Springs. Just got it shipped out here. The driver said he's a few minutes away, so let's see where he's at. And I think I see it, guys. It is here. Oh, and it's at the very front, so they're gonna have to take off a few cars. There it is. There it is, guys. Let's get this thing going. Let's cross the street here and check it out. And right off the rip, it's looking really good in person. What's up, man? Yes, sir. I don't know how he's gonna do this, but it looks like it's just him there. It's gotta be another guy. There it is, guys. Looks pretty decent up there. And seeing that it's all the way at the back, I'm guessing it's running at least decent enough to put it at the front. Man, it got here really quick. He just picked it up yesterday about 2 o'clock. It's here today about the same time. So 24-hour turnaround with these guys. 400 bucks, can't beat it. It looks really, really good. I can't wait to get this thing off. Okay, so he's got to move the first car off. I'm guessing he's gonna back that up and he's gonna back that up and drive the Nissan straight off that joint. Okay, no catastrophes, no falls, no nothing. All good there. He does this like it's nothing. All right, now he's got that one off. Let's see how he's gonna do this now. Oh, he's got to jump it. Maybe we'll leave it running a little bit. The battery may be dead. He has the jumper box there. 850 bucks, guys. That's how much we got this thing for. Of course, we had to pay taxes and a couple extra fees here and there. And this is a hail damage car, guys. So we'll see how bad the hail damage on this thing really is. All right, they got the jumper box on there. See some lights turn on. And for everyone that's gonna ask right off the bat who does it, that's them right there. So give them a call. I think he might be looking for the key. That's what it's looking like. Damn, Daniel, find the key, Jack. This is bad news. I'm guessing he's saying he doesn't have the key and they forklifted it up there. But even when you get the papers and stuff, they give you the key for the car. They just would not give you a key. Like, what do you want me to do? You have the key? Nah, how I'm gonna have the key, bro? Really? You didn't think about this? That's crazy. As you see under the car, pretty decent car all around. He's taking off the straps like he found the key, but I don't know what he's gonna do. What are we gonna do here, guys? I don't know if he's gonna try to drop this thing here and go or what. I see rolling it without no key though, so I don't know what he's doing, dude. He doesn't have a key. He said he just put it in neutral. Oh my God, this is just looking like a bad situation here, guys. I swear. Like, come on now. This is supposed to be something simple and easy, making it more difficult than what it is. Trying to roll this thing off that. No key. Hopefully that thing is in the trunk. But oh man, this is how my day is going, guys. So he doesn't have the key. He doesn't know what happened to the key. He said they loaded it with a forklift. He has no key and it's in neutral. We're pushing it. And he gave me $100 off the tow, but it's like, okay, you give me $100 off, I go make a key, but it's just like, I gotta do so much to get it just into where I want it to. Like, man, that's so crazy. That's ridiculous, dog. 300 bucks nothing to see the car. I could have went to Colorado and saw this and picked it up out there. Got the key and everything. So I guess now we're gonna try to push it off and get it over here and park it for the time being and try to get somebody to come make a key or something for it. Initially, I would have just sent it back to Colorado. I'm like, shoot, what's the point of me going way out there just for a key? I might as well freaking try to get a key here made for it and hope for the best, man. But he's rolling that thing. He's going out. After this car.
I don't see anything. See when it's
go. Go.
Go.
Yeah. And we can. So how'd you put it in neutral? You just slammed it down or what?
No, right here. Come. You see? You put it, doesn't go. You push right here.
Oh, okay. All right. Cool.
It doesn't say, but I'll give you an advice.
That's
Look
crazy.
Look right here. This car has been stolen. So
Said it's been stolen?
Yeah, check everything inside here. Maybe the keys are inside here.
Oh, okay, I see.
You see, it's because maybe we put it because the car see the keys it's far away, but it's been a while. Maybe the battery run out.
Oh, okay, I see.
The keys are somewhere here.
All right.
Because it doesn't say the code. That's why I didn't lock the wheel. So the keys still should be around the car.
Oh, okay, I see. All right.
It's you just have to put.
So Operation Find the Key. Time to find the key, guys. Time to find this key. And it's a freaking push to start. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this key is gonna be super expensive. Alrighty, guys, after getting it to the back, finally, with a little help from my my Camaro there. I know you see that just lightly touched. As a matter of fact, let's check out the Camaro and see if it did any damage. Little bit, nothing crazy. It's getting repainted anyway, so I guess it's all right. But check it out, guys. Straight from the Copart lot, and it came with no key, but they said it sold with a key and it was running and driving. So what are we to do? And I'll just give you guys a quick walk around really quick. All in all, it looks like a pretty decent car once the windshield and the rear window is fixed. It's hail damage. It is a hail damaged vehicle. You see the little dents. I'm actually going to try the paintless dent repair this time. You guys was talking about it last time a lot, so I'm going to try it on this car and see if we can get anything pulled out. This is the worst part on the car right here. You see it's like a little dent right there. I'm guessing it was like a big iceberg crater, like the size that sunk the Titanic. And then we have, of course, a little dent here. I have the tail light, but all in all, it looks pretty fair. 101,000 miles. The inside, of course, it's a Copart car, guys, and the window is open, so the inside is going to be a little dirty. So I expected that. Straight from Copart, USAA. Pretty decent little car. Let's try to find this key. I doubt it's in the car, but we'll try to find it. Now, I kind of looked all in the car already. I don't know if this thing is all the way dead now or what. But yeah, I think this thing is all the way dead now. And we had the door open the whole time we were pushing it, so this trunk is locked up because it's dead. So I'm guessing this thing came from Tennessee, but it's got Colorado tags. Look at all that gunk and stuff. This thing is gonna have to get a full detail. And I wish I can find the keys. Got the seats all lifted up. Man, this thing needs a really good cleaning. And I don't even think you can get to the trunk from here. You gotta freaking do the seats down from the trunk. I'm really dreading having to buy a key for this thing. I already called the locksmith for a car key. They said it was gonna be $175 for a key for this thing. And this right here is what the key goes on. So somebody cut that, obviously. Key should be in here somewhere, and I wanna look up and find it so I really don't have to pay for it. Guess I'll let you guys see under the hood. Like, I really don't get it. How doesn't the shipper pick up the key? and the key is supposed to come with the car. So as you see, this thing is dusty as heck. It's missing an engine cover. Who knows if anybody has been fumbling with it. I'm gonna probably take out this battery, go get it recharged in the meantime. I honestly think the key is in here because it doesn't say no key. It just has the key sign blinking. So I'm thinking the battery on the key might be low, if so. So I don't know. We'll have to see what we can do. Since nothing in the middle, I guess I can start peeling this off. I have that heat gun, so we might be able to hook that heat gun up and get this thing off super easy without it taking so much of our time like the last time. Because it's like super hot right now and this thing is gonna come off in a bunch of little pieces. So, oh, matter of fact, we can't even do that because the car is way over here. I'll need a long enough extension cord to do that. But man, I'm so bummed right now. I really don't want to spend $175. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna hold out, guys, and wait it out till tomorrow. Try to save some money without being too much of in a rush, because maybe Copart does have the key. I'd rather them tell me they don't have the key and I have to go buy one that way rather than they do have one and I bought one and I didn't have to buy one, if you can make any sense of that. But all in all, looks like a pretty fair car. Need to get that windshield replaced, nothing too crazy. You can snatch this little stuff off the car. So for now, I think we're gonna try to get that battery out of there, try to get that trunk popped, and hopefully the key is in there. So let's take that battery out. Boom, we got the battery out. Pretty dusty down there. Let's see if we can charge this thing up, or matter of fact, just go get a new one. Change this one out, 30 bucks, go get a new one. Pop it in here, pop the trunk, and let's look for that key. Alrighty guys, it's looking like I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow to get this battery thing situated, because if I run an AutoZone right now, it's gonna be nighttime before I even get to look in the car. So I'd rather not look in the car while it's nighttime. I'd rather you guys see everything as I see it. I think I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow, go grab a battery for like 30-40 bucks. After we put that in, we can pop the trunk and hopefully find that key. And then also, I don't want to jump the gun because Copart still might have the key, so I really don't want to buy another key for $175 if I really don't have to. We're gonna need a mirror too. Hopefully they do have the key so they can just ship it out. Maybe we'll get it in the next couple of days if so. But yeah, the car is pretty fair. It looks like it's a good running car from what I see. At least I'm hoping it's a good running car. Definitely needs a full detail, which I can't wait to detail this thing because it is so filthy and dirty. It looked like it's been through like all over America. Well, the car was faced backwards, so I'm guessing this is all from when it was shipped right now, all these little bugs. But this is the real only damage, and I'm pretty sure this can just be pulled out like simply, as well as this. Pretty sure that can be fixed pretty good, and then we'll get this tail light in. But hey, it's a car right there, and that thing has just been sitting, so maybe they'll like to donate some parts to us. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Appreciate you guys tuning in, man. I really wish you guys could have seen this thing started. I wish I could have seen this thing started. I don't know why the shipper would ship it or even leave Copart without realizing he didn't have the key. But you know, it is what it is. Everything isn't gonna be always nice and bacon, eggs, and sausage in the morning. You know, everything is never gonna be always 100%. In the next video, we're gonna go get a new battery for this thing, get this trunk open and search the trunk. Hopefully the key is in there, because when you open the car, when he had the battery pack on there, it didn't say no key. The key was just blinking. So I'm thinking that the key is in here somewhere in this trunk. It's a lot of stuff back there, so hopefully it is. Can't really open it right now because it's no power to the car. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow, and then we're also waiting till tomorrow because I don't want to buy a key today and Copart tells me they have a key for it. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to watch the ads. Peace out, and let's get it.